Today we're going to be showing you BD Diesel's new throttle sensitivity booster. This is the version 3.0 of the throttle sensitivity booster, and what BD has done here is they have wanted to take a module that they have been out in the marketplace with for a while, and these throttle sensitivity boosters, I mean, these have really been a kind of a breath of fresh air as far as performance electronics go. You know, it's different than the normal everyday plug-in module or programmers. This is a performance adder that you can do on your truck that is not maybe as intrusive as doing an ECM flash or something like that. And people have really responded well to it. What BD Diesel wanted to do with this new throttle sensitivity booster is use all of the new technology that was at their disposal and combine it into this throttle sensitivity booster. So let's show you what it is. First off, let me tell you what a throttle sensitivity booster does. So a throttle sensitivity booster is going to amplify the signal going to your accelerator position sensor. So it's going to give you crisper throttle response, increased throttle response, and just an overall better drivability of your truck. Now, you know, they've really added some nice features to these over the years. Two of the new features of this for this year's model, this version 3.0, is the economy mode, which is going to get you a little bit better fuel economy. It's going to pull about 25% of the throttle response out of the throttle sensitivity booster. And then you've got a new security mode, which gives you 0 throttle response. So if you are parking your truck for the weekend or something like that, you can lock the security mode in on this, and it's going to make your truck just almost impossible to steal. All right, one of the big features of this that BD Diesel is really promoting is the AI technology in this. So this is going to have an artificial learning capability for you as you're setting it in your truck. When you first start it up, there's a sweep motion that you'll go through that will learn the throttle position inside of the truck, and the module learns thereby from that. If you don't get to do that, it's okay. It'll actually learn as it's driving and as you're driving what the throttle positions are of the truck are. So that's a really nice feature of it. So let's show you what we get inside the box here. We had a little technical difficulties before, so we'd already unboxed this once, so I'm going to try to hobble through that and what you get. So obviously you're getting your new throttle sensitivity booster, and you're going to notice that this is a big change in sizing from the old throttle sensitivity booster. All of the brains now are actually in the head unit or the switcher unit of the throttle sensitivity booster itself. Then it plugs in at your APPS sensor or your throttle position sensor on whatever vehicle that you're going to be using it for. So everything is combined right here into this little head unit. You can see it in the size of my hand. It's a small unit. They really slimmed this down. Comes with some Velcro for you to mount this inside the head unit inside of your cab if you decide to do so. Alcohol pad to clean that area up with. Zip ties to clean up your installation. Comes with your warranty statement here. Really good detailed instructions on installing it. And you also get a BD Diesel sticker that comes in the package that I left downstairs. Really nice little sticker. So the throttle sensitivity boosters, let's talk about all the positions that are on this. So we've already talked about the security and the economy mode. There's a valet mode in this, and this is going to give you an extra, this is going to reduce your throttle sensitivity by 50%. This is a minus 50% position for this throttle sensitivity booster. So this is if obviously a valet takes your truck, or if your brother-in-law borrows it and you don't want him to be able to do anything stupid with it. That's a really good position. Now, as far as performance goes, you've got 4 what I'm going to call performance positions with this. You've got the street mode, which is going to get you 50% better throttle response. You've got your sport mode, which is 75% better throttle response. The race mode's 100% better throttle response, and you have the new or the ludicrous mode, which is 300% Luda, 300% better throttle response. I don't know why you're going to need that, but we're going to try it out today because obviously we got to go right straight to Luda and see what she does. But yeah, no, clean this up. Really sleek back this whole module. We're excited about trying this out. We appreciate the guys at BD sending this down for us as well to try it on our truck. So this works for a wide different range of vehicles, gas and diesel applications, and BD is always working to increase the amount of applications that they have. Today we're going to be putting this on a 2016 Dodge Ram with 5.7 in it. So going to be working on a gas vehicle and trying it out with that. We're really excited about it. So the new TS throttle sensitivity boosters, gosh, that's a mouthful, version 3.0. Check it out. We're going to link you to our page where you can purchase this on our website. And we're also going to link you in this video to our installation video for this throttle sensitivity booster. Thanks for watching.